Hello everyone, this video we shall be looking at how to multiply in base 8. Let's look at some examples. You have 3304 base 8 multiplied by 5 base 8. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 in base 8 is 2 remainder 4. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 in base 8 is 1 remainder 7. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 in base 8 is 2 remainder 0. So you have 2 0 7 2 4 all in base 8. Let's look at more examples. You have 1 0 3 3 in base 8 multiply by 2 1 in base 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Then add. You have 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 in base 8 is 1. Remainder 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 0 is 2. So you have 2 1 7 1 3 all in base 8. Let's look at more examples. You have 7 5 0 3 in base 8 multiply by 4 4 in base 8. 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 in base 8 is 1. Remainder 4. 4 times 0 is 1. 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 in base 8 is 2. Remainder 4. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 in base 8 is 3. Remainder 6. 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 in base 8 is 1. Remainder 4. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 in base 4 is 2 remainder 6. 2 remainder 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30 and 30 in base 8 is 3 remainder 6. You then add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 in base 8 is 1 remainder 2. 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 in base 8 is 1 remainder 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have 422 554 all in base 8. Thank you for watching.